My name is Gina and welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, then don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos about Korean. Okay, then let's get started. I'm really excited to show you guys something special about Korean cooking. Today, we're gonna make some Korean banchan with me. What is banchan? Did you have ever heard about it? Banchan means a small side dish that comes with your main dish, rice. So you can have it banchan and main dish rice every single meal. Today, we're gonna make 진미채 볶음 and 멸치 볶음, which is my favorite. Okay, then let's get started. Okay, so let me see what we need today for 진미채 볶음. This is a 진미채, which is called squid, a red pepper sauce. It is really hot and red. I'm gonna show you. A soy sauce and red pepper powder and mayo and a sugar. I have a plastic bag here, and you put the 진미채 on the plastic bag. That's enough. And let's put the mayo here. And shake it. Okay, we're ready. Put some oils in the pan. And we're gonna put some red pepper sauce here. 1, 2, maybe enough. And sugar. And some red pepper sauce. 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna put a squid in a pan. Okay, let's go. Shoo. We're done with 진미채 볶음, and next we're gonna make 멸치 볶음 with me. Okay, then let's see what we need. We need 멸치, which is anchovy. And a soy sauce and a sugar. That's all. Then I'm gonna show you how to make it. Turn off the fan and put some olive oil. And we're gonna put some anchovy here. I'm gonna put some red pepper sauce here. A pepper powder here. We just have made 2 different kinds of banchan. 진미채 볶음 and 멸치 볶음. It was so quick and it's gonna be really delicious. Let's go and see. It was really quite easy, and I'm sure that you can make it by yourself at home. If you have any questions, then please feel me to ask, and don't forget to comment and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time. 다음에 또 만나요.